Qatar Global, 8th of March. Let's look at the details. Qatar seen primed to become the global hub for arbitration. Qatar, which has become excellent in terms of hearing the arbitration, good facilities, potential to become the hub for international arbitration, for which Doha should contemplate establishing an institutional framework within its International Court and Dispute Resolution Center, KICDRC. That's very important. Ooredoo celebrates business partners at a virtual event. Ooredoo recently held a virtual award ceremony to name and celebrate partners for the year 2020. Turkish exports in Qatar seem to cross 1 billion level in 2021. QBIC announces opening of the registration for third wave of lean manufacturing. Qatar Business Incubation Center has announced that registration for the third wave of lean manufacturing programs now open and will run until May 20th. Dukhan Bank net operating profit exceeds 1 billion. Dukhan Bank Board of Directors recommend 10% cash dividend to shareholders for 2020. Libya united government to restore its oil and gas industry. The new Libyan unity government will restore an oil and gas exports as one of the 27 ministries to administer the way. Saudi Arabia's ambitious plan to lead 700 billion hydrogen market. Sun-scorched expanses and steady Red Sea breezes makes the northwest tip of Saudi Arabia prime real estate for what the kingdom hopes will become the global hub for green hydrogen. Qatar expects to receive 7,000 hotel rooms in 2021. The Valley Star Qatar is expected to receive Qatar is expected to receive 7,000 hotel rooms, including 6,250 keys and 750 service apartments, according to Valley Strat. Bidea opens registration for SNUMART platform. Bidea Center for Entrepreneurship, very important, and Career Development. A joint initiative by Qatar Development Bank and Silotech yesterday announced the opening of registration of SNUMART platform through Sunu applications, one of the most prominent integrated applications in town for providing food delivery and a variety of services that are aimed at meeting the daily needs of the consumers. QFC Tech Talks discuss disruptive technologies in HR. QFC Tech Talks is an informative series where technology firms, experts and innovators from local and international digital ecosystems share ideas and explore opportunities. Great initiatives. Tech Talks discuss disruptive technologies. Very important. Now, experts from Qatar, Bangladesh explore opportunities in fintech. Officials and experts discussed from Qatar and Bangladesh explored the opportunities in the field of fintech sector in webinar organized recently. Bangladesh Forum and exploration of Qatar and Bangladesh startups. Very important. QDB M7 launch fashion design business incubator. Qatar Development Bank and M7 create a startup hub operating under Qatar Museums. Announced the launch of Scale 7, a business incubator for innovative entrepreneurs in Qatar. Scale 7 aims to develop and nurture creative and artistic ecosystems to incubate and support Qatar entrepreneurs, small and medium-sized entrepreneurs, pioneering emerging industries in the field of fashion, design and technology. M7 launch fashion designer business incubators. Good opportunity for youngsters who wants to get into fashion, design and technology. The Pearl Qatar top search area for property buyers. Trends Qatar Real Estate Report 2020 Property Finder. The Pearl Qatar has emerged on top of the list. Searches for apartment for sale in 2020. West Bay, Lusail City, Al Wab, Al Saad, Garafa are other areas were among the top searches for property buyers. Now the real estate rules have changed. Anyone can search a good apartment or a villa in the freehold as well as leasehold opportunities and invest on it and get residency as well as permanent options. Global news, better news, big win, 1.9 trillion I should say, stimulus goes to final vote. President Joe Biden got his first legislation win with the House of Senate, give a final passage to his 1.9 trillion COVID-19 relief plan. Again, the second biggest economic stimulus in the US history. Traders across Wall Street set to make significant profit. Traders across the Wall Street are poised to significantly profit from the freeze that roiled energy markets. That's an opportunity. China exports spike to highest in decades after COVID-19 hit. Investors looking for ECB verdict on bond sell-off. Investors are looking for a definitive signal of what the European Central Bank really thinks about the latest bond sell-off, or likely to get off in the coming week. Britain tells EU over the post, get on with Brexit trade. The European Union should shake off and build a good relationship with Britain as sovereign equals and move on to stand up for the mutual interest. The top Green Sill client sees key cash source evaporate. For the past decade, built a reputation as one of the global biggest boosters of steel, slew of deals for mills and smelters from Romania to Australia, while racking up billions in debt for moribund assets that few others wanted. So there's an opportunity. Green Steel is moving in. Honda Motor Company launches all new city in 2021. COVID-19 travel insurance becoming a vacation staple. Chinese exports surge on global demand, and when you look at GOP pushes bill to allow social media censorship lawsuits. This is going to be interesting developments. Governments now are interfering on social media and making sure there is a re-regulation on these. Z Holding registers QR 201 million net profit for the year 2020. AirAsia plans to launch air taxi business by 2022. That's interesting. One of the Asia's biggest low-cost airliners launched flying taxis now. G7 countries set to withdraw extraordinary fiscal support. They're studying it. A normalization of fiscal policy is already taking place slowly but steadily. But the process will be rather slow and gradual as the government wants to take the opportunity to advance new investment programs, avoiding withdrawal issues of a premature exit from extraordinary measures. As long as the economies are going to grow, it's an opportunity. Slowly unwind the stimulus and making sure the economic momentum takes over from new normal to normal. And that's what everyone is aiming at least in the second half of this year. Things will change. Economic momentum is required in terms of trade, investments, banking. Again, credit expansion should take place more and more to stimulate the global growth.